Namaste, unhalo. Why to feel sorry? Even the natives face issues when it comes to the genders of the German nouns. So let's see this detailed video with 250 plus German nouns and learn the tips, tricks, hacks, and of course the rules along with the exceptions. Let's begin. The drei Geschlechter, the three genders. So let's see what three genders we have for the German nouns. First one is masculine, second one feminine, third one neutrum. Masculine, feminine, neutrum. Okay. Der, die, das. For the singular cases, for the single cases, der, die, das, bestimmt article that you use, definite articles. Okay. And how to figure out what gender the nouns have, we need to see this. All right, let's have a look at this meme. Frauen an der Spitze. So the women are leading, right? Like in the real life also, what happens is they are leading, they are stronger, they're better. So if we see this data, feminine, masculine, neutrum, 46%, 34%, 20%. So 46% German words are female, feminine category. 34% male, 20% neutral cases. Okay. So if in case you are just confused, you don't know what gender the noun has, and you have to guess, you have no other option but to guess, then you can go with this feminine case. All right. We will definitely see what other tips, tricks, and what rules we have for the genders, but you can go for this hashtag respect. See, die klare Unterscheidung, the clear difference, the basic difference. Okay, so der is for masculine, as I told you, d is for feminine. And if you see these words, man, boy, father, uncle, brother, written in the black, right, the English meanings of the German words, if you see these words, these are masculine category, right? We know that. So male student, customer, right, actor. So we would be using that. For this, you do not require any concept or any thing that would be helping you with this. So man, der Mann, die Frau, der Junge. You do not have anything here because that is das Mädchen. Why it is das? We will talk about this later in this video. Vater, der, Mutter, die, Onkel, Tante. Right. So I've written all the words: Bruder, Student, Kunde, male customer, Lehrer, Schauspieler. And if you see, when you go from male professions to the feminine professions, you are adding in. Kunde, Kundin, Lehrer, Lehrerin, Schauspieler, Schauspielerin, right? Amerikaner, so the nationality also. So this is very basic. A person coming from America, a person who lives in India, right? So Inder or the Indian. So this we know that, okay, either it will be masculine case, der, or it will be feminine case, right? Now let's see the next slide, the Zeitreiser. So let's do some time travel, Zeitreiser. So what's happening here is, the concept is, if you talk about century, right, Jahrhundert. So in one century, like 21st century, if you talk about, so the word is Jahrhundert, that is das. In one century, you have 100 years. So 1 year is called Jahr. That is also das. So remember this. Century, that is das. Year is also das. But then in 1 year, you have months, seasons, or you have days, 365 days, right? So that word, tag, for the day, that is der. So this has a masculine gender, right? If we go further, we see, okay, when you talk about a day, right, you can divide that into day times like morning, afternoon, noon, before noon, evening, night, right? So all these words, morgen, Mittag, or Vormittag, Nachmittag, Abend, all these words are der. They are also masculine. Exception is here, die Nacht. Okay, so this is feminine. Now the day can be divided into this type also, like if you talk about hours, so like 24 hours, so 1 hour is eine Stunde oder die Stunde, die Minute, die Sekunde. Okay, so keep this in mind. Basic words, they have this gender, der, die, das. Okay, how they are separated, I've mentioned it here. Let's move forward. So now we'll talk about the gender. So feminine gender, Seite 1, 4, right? So you can see this. So this is like page number 1 of the 4 slides that are dedicated to feminine cases. Let's quickly have a look. What are they? So when the word is ending with EI, so when you have a suffix EI, right? The words like Datei, Polizei, Bäckerei, feminine cases. Okay. And in this presentation, in this video, you will see I have already mentioned the meanings for the words, right, in black. They are in English. Let's see, what are these? Parrot and egg. Are they also feminine? No, they are der. So der Papagei, das Ei. Right? So these are the exceptions. You always have exceptions. Ausnahme gibt es immer. So Ausnahmen gibt es immer. You have always exceptions. So this one, but majorly the words ending with EI and IE are feminine category. Let's see the words Philosophie, Biologie, Energie, Demokratie, right? So all these words are here in feminine, and you have, of course, the exception. They're zombie, they're UP. So these words are not feminine, they are there. Okay. Let's see the next one, Heid. So HEID, always feminine, always feminine. Gesundheit, Sicherheit, Freiheit, Krankheit. Okay. This, kite, similarly, just like Heid, is always feminine category. Staatsangehörigkeit, Geschwindigkeit, Schwierigkeit, feminine. Okay. Let's move to the second slide. Okay, so IK at the end as a suffix IK. Logik, Mathematik, Fabrik, Mechanik. Meanings are here. They are feminine category. Let's see the next one, ENZ. Conference, existence, tendence, frequenz. Feminine. Let's see ION, Situation, Präsentation, Religion, Diskussion. Feminine category. Then you have IT, A umlaut Itate, Elektrizität, Aktivität, Identität, Stabilität. All words are falling in the feminine category. Let's move to the next slide, third slide. Words with Zeitung, Bedeutung, Bewegung, right? So I will tell you the meanings, but this is not the always case like with UNG. If you remember, if you are connected on Instagram also, so there was a quiz in which I asked these questions. So there was a word with UNG, whether it's D or das. So many made mistakes because this is an exception. The exception is here, Ursprung, Schwung. Although they are ending with UNG, but they are not the feminine. They are not with D as an article. They're the masculine cases. Okay. So just keep in mind exceptions, because exceptions are less. So if you learn the exceptions, you know, it's easier, right? It's better than learning all the words, but if you know the exceptions, it's good. So UNG at the end, mostly feminine. Most of the words will be feminine only. Let's see the next one, Schaft. Wissenschaft, Freundschaft, Gesellschaft. Okay, these words are here. Next case is, okay, this is not used much, but okay. ITIS, so these words are feminine. Then you see the next one, AGE, Etage, Lager, Frage, Reportage. Okay. The last final slide for the feminine category is here. OSE, Prognose, Hose, Dose, Glucose. Okay. Then you have an exception here, but it's not actually an exception, because if you see this word Franzose, right, this is a French man. So if you know the meaning, right, if you know the meaning of this word, okay, this is referring to a male category, then of course it has to be there, the person from the France, right, Frenchman. So it has to be there. Then you will not go for this, okay, it's ending with OSC, this is the suffix thing, and then you will go for the article according to the suffix. No, you know the meaning, okay, Frenchman, it has to be there, right? So don't get confused with this. Then let's see the next one. So Deutsche Flüsse, German rivers, they are mostly feminine, okay, but then of course you have some exceptions, so they are also mentioned here. So Donau, Moselle, Elbe, Havel. And then you have the exception male categories. They are rein, they are mine. Okay. So that's all for the feminine. Now let's see the masculine cases. Also 4 slides dedicated to this gender, the male case. So let's start with ANT, ant, elephant, quadrant, leferant, mandant, right? So the meanings are here, elephant, quadrant, supplier, client, right? Exceptions. Das Restaurant, das Deodorant, the deo, right? So these are the exceptions with ANT at the end. Then you have ENT, ANT, ENT, mostly falling in the category of male. President, student, patient, concurrent. Okay. Next one is with A umlauts are der Bär, Aktionär, Sekretär, Veterinär. Exception, das Militär, military. That's an exception. Das, neutral case and not der. Next one, Ling, Feigling, Schmetterling, Swilling, Railing. Okay, so if you see here the exception and this word railing and this railing are same. What's the difference? When you have this railing, that means the railing that you have in the house, the buildings, right? So this is most commonly used. And this one is rarely used. This is der railing and the meaning is green frog. Next, see the next slide, the next page for masculine cases. So we have ER as the ending. Lautsprecher, Tiger, Eimer, Alter. What is the exception? Das Alter or das Fenster. So not masculine. They are das, die Butter, ending with ER, feminine case. If you check here, alter and alter, why I mentioned it twice. The first one is basically if you talk about an old man, so it's like der Alter without R, der Alter. But with the unbestimmte article, if you are already aware about it, ein, then it will be ein Alter. So an old man. So this is basically for that case. So when you are talking about an old man, we know it has to be masculine, no other case. But if you use das Alter, that is for age. Okay. So don't get confused here. Let's see the next case. IG. So this word is Honish, Essish, Kefish, Kyonish, das Reisish. Exception. Otherwise, all the IG words mostly with IG ending, male category. Then we have IST, Geist, Jurist, Componist, Tourist. Their case. Then we have this exception LIST because it's ending with ISTD, list. What does it mean actually? So first of all, list as an English word in German is called Lister, die Lister, that is the list. But this is a German word, LIST. What does it mean? It basically means a cunning plan that you make, and that is D. So according to this thing that IST at the end, that is there, this is an exception. It is D. Okay. Let's see the next one. Ismus, ISMUS at the end. Tourismus, Atheismus, Alcoholismus, Optimismus. All are there. Let's move to the third slide. What do we have here? All right, let's talk about the weather. So fast alle Wetterelemente. Fast alle, almost all weather elements are masculine. Let's see the examples here. So Regen, Schnee, wind, Nebel, Hagel. The meanings are here. They are all there. Exception, das Gewitter, thunderstorm, right? Next one, days. All the days, masculine. Sonntag, Montag, Dienstag, und so weiter, and so on, etc. Months, Januar, February, März, all are masculine. So days, months, seasons, Frühling, Sommer, Herbst, winter, we have all done. We have all learned all these in the previous video, so they are all there. But just keep in mind, for spring, the word is Frühling, that is mostly used, but then there's a synonym also, there's a similar word also if you want to use, except Frühling. So instead of Frühling, if you go for the word for spring, then that's das Frühjahr. das Frühjahr, right? So then that will be das category. Okay, and also one thing I would like to mention here is that's compositor. If you know, when you combine two words, then the second word article is taken by the complete word. For example, I'll give you an example here. Bad. So das Bad, short form of Badezimmer. So Baden plus Zimmer is Badezimmer. Schlafzimmer. They all have article das, right? If you go for Saft, Saft is juice. Der Saft, masculine category. And if you add any fruit to it, like Orangensaft, Apfelsaft, it will be der only. Okay, so it doesn't depend on Orange. Okay, that is feminine, so it has to be feminine. So that's the concept. Second word Jahr will be used for the complete word. So Frühjahr. Let's see the final slide for the cases that are in masculine. So fast alle alkoholischen Getränke. Almost all the alcoholic drinks, they will be there. So whiskey, wine, vodka, Sekt, all are here. Germans, their favorite drink, beer, that is das, not der. Okay. Automarken, so car brands, right? So I have mentioned few car brands here. The car companies, they are there. Not about the German car brands only. Ferrari is not German, but also mentioned here. So that's all there. They are Ferrari, they are BMW, and all. Okay. Himmelsrichtungen, the directions, north, east, south, west. That's how we say in English. And in German, we say like this. So Norden, like this one, N, north, Norden. If you go for E, that is Osten, east. Then we have S, Süden, W, Westen. And if the point is in between north and east, then you have this word Nord, Osten, northeast. Okay. All these directions are also male category. Now let's quickly check the neutral category, Neutrum. So diminutive or the Verkleinerungsform, Schenlein. Before that, I would tell you like for the neutral cases, basically like das Ding, the thing. Okay. So we know, and for example, if you go for das Kind, the kid, the child, we don't know it's male or female. So that is also das, right? So these are like according to the meaning, it will be das, der, or d. But other cases like this one, Shen and line. So when you add this at the end of the word, and the goal is to minimize, to reduce the size or reduce the age, then it's always Neutrum case. How? Let me explain. So this word Mädchen, remember we talked about this in the beginning of the video. So das Mädchen is girl. Now why girl is Mädchen? The reason is here because it's ending with CHEN, and that's why it's das and not D. So the actual word was MAGD, marked, right? Referring to a woman or maid. So for that they, joined CHEN, Verkleinerungsform, Mädchen, D Mädchen, girl. If you see this Häuschen, so house, you already know das Haus. The das Häuschen is you are reducing the size. A small house, cottage. Bäumchen, again coming from Baum. Tisch, Tischlein, der Tisch is masculine. Tischlein, the little table. Fräulein is Miss. Frau, if you know, that's for woman. It's Mrs. in major cases, but of course it can be Miss also. But Frau is like, okay, meine Frau, so my wife. That's how you use Frau. Fräulein is for Miss or waitress, right? So that's how you use this. And this will be das, of course, because it has line and the words are the CHEN. Let's see the exception. Okay, this word, Drachen. So do not say, okay, CHEN at the end, so it has to be das. So der Drachen is kite, and der Drache is dragon. They're very similar words, not mentioned here. Der Kuchen, cake. Okay. Let's see the next one. Ment. Experiment, medicament, element, document. Das. Mostly with MENT you have das, but exceptions are there. So most of the cases Neutrum, but then you have some masculine cases also. Moment, consument. Next one you have UM. So mostly with UM you will be having das. Museum, helium, publicum, centrum. Centrum. So this is center, audience. So meaning are here. Let's see the next one. Tum. Datum, Eigentum, Christentum, Unternehmertum, right? These are the words with das, exception, Irrtum, Reichtum. They are masculine. Let's move to the second slide. M-A, ma. Okay. Drama, aroma, thema, comma. So they all are thus. Mostly the words that end with O fall in this category, the neutral category. Photo, video, clo, bureau, studio, radio, many more. Exception is here the disco, the avocado, they are feminine, they are euro, the currency, right? The currency of Germany. So euro, that's der, and not das, although it's ending with O. Next is EWT, etiquette, the label, bet, bread, ballet, violet. So ballet is ballet dance. So this is the one like with neutral case. Then we have Zeug, Flugzeug, Spielzeug, Schlagzeug, Feuerzeug. All are das. Let's see the last slide for neutral case. Alphabet und Farben. So all the alphabets, the characters A, B, C, D, all are neutral. Das A, das B, and so on. Colors, if you say it, if you are using it as an adjective, ROT, R small, blau, B small, then they are adjectives. But if you're using it as a noun, then they are neutral cases. Das Rot, das Blau, das Grün. Okay, let's see the next. Substantivierte Verben. So verbs that are substantivierte. So nominalized verbs. Okay, substantive is nomen. Substantive, nomen, noun. So the verbs that are acting as nouns will always be having das article. How? So if you see any verb, like I have not mentioned here, like suppose lesen, L-E-S-E-N, lesen, to read. So L is small, it's a verb. If you go for as a noun form, L will be capital, das lesen. Similarly, das leben, das essen, das lernen, das schwimmen. Then you have few words with ing at the end, mostly the englische Wörter. The English words we are talking about, the englische Wörter. Training, bowling, timing, multitasking. So all these words are das. Then most of the metals, not all the metals, but most of the metals, they are das only. Eisen, silver, gold, aluminium. Okay, so they are das. So now we are heading towards the end of the video. Now only thing that is left is the 4 special cases. Like I did not add these suffixes previously because then it will be confusing. So there are few suffixes, the 4 suffixes that I will talk about, they deal with more than one gender. So that's why they are mentioned here. Only 2 slides. So let's see the 4 cases, the 4 fear, Zonder, failure, the 4 special cases. So with ANZ at the end, we have der or D. Either it will be masculine or it will be feminine. Let's see why der. Schwanz, Tanz, Glanz. Elegance, ignorance, tolerance. So if you just heard them correctly when I said, you must have noticed one thing, like this is mehr Silbisch. So syllables are more, and here this is ein Silbisch, only one syllable. Like I say it without breaking the word. Schwanz, Tanz, Glanz. So when such thing happen, it will be der. And when you have more than one syllable, you break the word while saying it. Elegance, ignorance, tolerance, that will be D case, feminine. Okay, let's see the next one, ICH, ish, not about I. Okay, so ICH at the end, then it will be der, masculine or neutral case, neutrum, typisch, pfirsich, teich, streich. Okay, these words will be there with ICH at the end, and like you can see EICH in few cases, but of course ICH. So das. So this word Reich, like realm or kingdom. So this word Reich is das, and the words that are made from this, Frankreich, Königreich, and more, they will be das. Otherwise, with ICH at the end, it will be masculine case, der. One exception, Ausnahme mentioned here is der Bereich. So all the words with Reich at the end, like Reich, when you have as a suffix, Reich or Frankreich, Königreich, all the words will be das except this, Bereich. That is also masculine. Let's see the second last case. You are, ur. So that will be either feminine or masculine. Die Kultur, die Natur, die Agentur. Okay, all the cases here. And then you have for der Ingenieur, der Regisseur, der Amateur, right? Let's see, das Abitur, the exam that you write, das Futur, future tense, they are pur. So these are the exceptions here. Otherwise, most of the words are feminine, die Kultur, Natur, Agentur. And here you need to see, okay, why like it's there, like 3 words mentioned here, 3 words mentioned here, then it can be masculine. But if you see, these words are referring to the male professions or the male persons, right? The engineer who's like gender male, director, okay? So otherwise you add I and Gesäuerin or Ingenieurin. So you add I in to make it to the female gender, the female profession. So this is obvious by the meaning that they are supposed to be there. Otherwise, when you have you are at the end in the nouns, mostly it's D. Das Abitur, das Futur are the exception here. And this color also. Let's see the last one, OR, der, and das. So Motor, Detektor, Autor, Tor, Decor, right? So autor is obviously author, male person, that has to be there. But these words like for engine or detector, so these are falling in their category. And what about das? So das Labor, Fluor, Chlor, Tor, Decor. So if you see, these 2 words are repeating themselves here. So there's a difference. The first one, Tor, is for fool. Like their Tor is a person. We're referring to some person, fool, okay? And this one is for the gate, or if you talk about football, like Germans are totally into football, so the goal basically is TOR, or you must have heard this word Brandenburger Tor, so that gate, right? So then that is das. Otherwise here, if you're referring to some person, then it's fool, or then that's there. And decor can be there, can be das. The meaning is same. Just like email, das email or a D email, it's email only. Okay. So this is the last part of this presentation. I recommend you to watch this video at least 3 times and learn all the cases along with the pronunciations. Task number 2. Write at least 1 noun for each gender in the comments section. Task number 3. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Bro, I need motivation. Nur ein Witz. See you in the next video. Namaste and cheers.